We have a guest chef today.
First time, Italian.
Catherine's going to make some biscottis today.
Italian
I really
biscotti.
love these things, especially in the morning when I dip them in my coffee.
Okay. First bowl.
She's got a big bowl with 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Then 2
2/3 cup of sugar.
Too much. I just want
All right, so she put in 1/3 cup sugar because me and my blood sugar. Not that it's high, but it's borderline. And by the way, we also have 2/3 cups of chopped pecans that she's toasting in the toaster oven. Of course, being Italian, you could use almonds. We like to use pecans in Texas.
Then,
Okay, we're going to whisk this up, get the eggs mixed and the sugar dissolved.
5 tablespoon butter.
Melted butter.
Yeah, I melted. Or better.
Ooh, I smell those pecans toasting. Now we're going to put in 2 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now she's going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
Soda, baking powder.
Okay, so she's got about a 1/4 teaspoon, no, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, she's gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now she's going to mix until all the flour is mixed in very well and you have a nice thick batter. Once it gets to kind of a doughy texture, she added the 2/3 cup toasted pecans. And now she's just finished kneading it, make sure all the flour is mixed in there very well. All right, on a floured cutting board, she's gonna roll this out into a nice little loaf. Kind of an option too, you could throw in some dried fruit into that dough. We've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, she cuts that loaf in half. Rolls it out a little bit.
Then push it. And they like this.
Yeah, make it a little bit flat on top. You know, like what a biscotti would look like. Place the flattened loaves on a baking sheet that's got parchment paper on it. Our oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We will bake for 20 minutes. All right, so we pulled it out of the oven after the 20 minutes. She's got 1 egg beaten. Now she's just gonna brush the top of it to get a nice coating on it. All right, so she took one of the loaves out. Now she's slicing it kind of in an angle. Yeah. Looks like it's about 1-inch slices. All right, take each slice. So she had 15 slices out of that, so you're going to get about 30 pieces in total of the biscottis. Now she'll do the same thing to the other loaf. She cut that one a little bit thinner, so she got 20 biscottis out of that one. Okay, so now you take some more of that egg and brush the face of each one. When she's finished brushing each face with egg, she'll put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, we pulled them out in 10 minutes. Now she's just going to flip them all over. Yeah, you can see they're just a little lightly golden brown. But you know, biscottis are very crunchy, crispy.
Yeah.
That's what's so great about dipping them in coffee. Okay, we flipped them over. Now a little bit more of an egg bath on this side. And back in the oven at 350 degrees for the final 10 minutes. All right, they're finished, looking good, smells good, but they're too hot. We gotta let them cool off a little bit. Still a little hot, but let me try it. When they cool off, they'll get a little bit more crispy. They're still very crispy. So I can't wait till tomorrow to dunk them in my coffee, get them all soggy.
It's sweet or not?
Very good, huh? It's a little bit sweet. For us, it's perfect.
Okay.
Putting in the 1/3 cup sugar. If you like this video, give Catherine a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.